Hi folks, hey, this is Art at Leach Camper Sales, where we make camping better. We just got in a real clean trade-in 2006 Eagle. It's a 281 RLS, so that's 28 foot of living space, 3 foot of tongue, so about 31 foot. Very clean. You can see the decals still show very well. The awning on this one is about 2 weeks old. It is a power awning. All kinds of storage on this one. Very clean inside. Another shot of the decals. Brand new battery, 6 of 20. Brand new tires. It's got a little hitch on the back. You can put in there, that way you got a place for your firewood and generator. Here's a good shot of the other side, showing how well the decals look. Very well cared for, 2006. Come on inside. This is your typical rear living, where you go to the left, you've got 2 chairs. This has got the day-night shades in it, which is a nice upgraded feature on this one. Has the neutral colors. Dinette here, fold-out couch here. Just see how clean it looks. This is an 8 cubic foot refrigerator instead of a 6, and they have upgraded to a flat screen TV. Got the stereo system in it, central air. Come on up, we'll show you the bedroom and the bathroom. We wish all of our coaches came in this clean. Nice shot of the shower, toilet, and sink. And a nice shot of that bed. Very clean coach, has the nice oak finish to it. Again, this is Art at Leach Campers, where we make camping better.